Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So if you own a Toyota Highlander or Sienna that has an oil filter that's a cartridge style, you might want to watch this video. It could definitely help you out. Okay, recently I had a Toyota Sienna brought to me. It was actually towed into my shop, and the woman that owned the car, or the van, was dropping her kids off to daycare, and with her car idling in the daycare parking lot, it decided that it was going to puke out all the oil all over the parking lot of the daycare center. I'm going to share with you something that you can avoid possibly that happening to you if you own one of these vehicles. Stay tuned. Okay, what you're looking at is an oil cooler line from a 2009 Toyota Sienna. And what happens if you live in the Northeast or anywhere salt is used on the road where rust can be an issue, these can fail. And what happens is the little securing clamps you see here get rusted, they get weak, and they can no longer hold the oil pressure, and basically oil is just sprayed all over everywhere where you are. You do risk causing serious engine damage if you don't pay attention to this. If you're driving down the highway and this happens, it blows out all the oil and you continue to drive your vehicle, you will ruin the engine. There is some good news though, and they have a replacement for these. This is an aftermarket, still in the bag here. Dorman, this is a 625-022. You can see it through this bag. The oil cooler line is basically all metal, and it avoids this ever happening again to you. So if you own one of these vehicles, next time you get it in for the oil change, if you have a cartridge style oil filter, you might want to have this closely looked at. If it were my vehicle, I would just replace it even if it wasn't leaking. Anyway, until next time, I hope you like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends, and just as preventative maintenance, I would recommend replacing this if your vehicle has this configuration. Have a great night, drive safe, and check your oil.